But one of the greatest strengths of your Linux distro is its package manager and the associated software repository. You're going to be able to install software from the source because you need a very specific version not available in your distribution repository, or because you just want to modify the program to fix a bug or add a feature because you're that good. The configure script is responsible for getting ready to build the software on your specific system. So make sure that all the dependencies for the rest of the build and install process are available. It also finds out whatever it needs to know about how to use those dependencies. So once configure has done its job, we can invoke make to build the software. So this runs a series of tasks defined in a make file to build the finished program from its source code. Cool, so now that the software is built and ready to run, the files can be copied to their final destinations. So the make install command will copy the built program and its libraries and its documentation to the correct locations. So you want to see how these processes work? First, we'll need a project to install from source code. Open the browser. Go to www.gnu.org. Click on Software tab. Scroll down a bit, and there are some packages in this list. So let's select one of them. I'll click on Hello. And this is a classic program, of course, that prints Hello World when you run it. Very simple, but it shows you what to do. So to download this package via HTTPS, click on this link, and we'll check the last modified dates. Yeah, it's the latest version. Now you can click on the tar file and download it, but I would like to show you an alternative way to download a package, or any file for that matter. So just copy the link location, open your terminal screen. wget is a command line utility for downloading files from the web. With wget, you can download files using HTTP, HTTPS, and FTP protocols. Paste in your download link, and just like that, it's downloaded. List files. Then first we need to extract this zipped file. So run tar-xvf and add the downloaded tar file. List files. Okay, this is the extracted folder. So now change directory to this folder. List files again. So the first step is to run the configure script. Just type /configure. All right, so the next step is to compile the source code with the make command. Run make. Cool. So we're on the last step. So make install command will install the compiled program. And of course, there are some permission denied errors. So let's run make install with sudo. Hopefully you already did that. Okay, so now the installation is complete. And let's check the program. So just type hello. There it is. It printed hello world. This is, of course, the very first and very basic step for beginners in coding. I know you knew that, right?